let's explain something here. Little Sunday project. Went over to the Vic's yard, found a dumpster ladder. We're gonna turn that into a deer hauling cart.
Probably tack each one on.
Are you just squinting and looking through that?
Twirl, Austin.
That's probably how I'm gonna know how to do it, is on a joint.
No, it's easier. Like when they start you out in school, they start you out with a flat pad like this, and you just run beads.
We'll go like
Oh, kick that. Yep. Oh, you got it. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect.
She's pretty good at anything she does.
That was pretty good. From here to here.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Ah.
Cool.
Cool.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, Kiki.
Chitter, you're up.
You go, Cheats.
The only thing is gonna have to roll it like this. Right? Try it.
Yeah, it is.
Unless we put a C-clamp on one of these.
Ooh, that's nice, Cody. And not too good through the helmet. That's our current idea of adjusting our height, pinning it back here, pinning in the front, and you get, what do we figure out, Austin?
It depends on how long you go out.
Yeah.
But it's at least 3 or 4 inch difference.
3 to 4 inch adjustment for your
Start
handle.
here.
It's a start. Working on the 2 plates, both sides of the wheel. Get the idea here. We're gonna just lay this out, see where the 2 pipes come down. We can weld them on, drill a hole, cut a slot in it so we can adjust if needed. You know, an inch or 2 there. Your hand's not in a good spot.
Why? Where else should it be?
I don't know.
Where would you put it?
Not there.
Where?
In your underwear.
I didn't ask you where it is.
Precision.
Yeah. So you don't say how to do it, you just say, this is how you don't do it.
That's how you don't do it.
When you go to bust through, make sure it's not bust through hot and heavy. Just like this.
That's a cool look. Get in that truck. Go on. Go up there, Ruby.
Ready?
Go.
Get up there.
Come on down, Ruby. Come over here. Hey.
No.
All right, first look, everybody. Clamped up. No handles yet.
Where'd you get the wheel? Planes. Pretty mint.
How's it feel, Oss? Come back.
Hey, look. Might be therapy for him.
Yep, we're getting a video.
Kid car. Hey?
Luca. This is for you, buddy. What do you think, Luca? All right, first test run. New handles. That's a tent, just some extra gear we had hanging around the garage here.
I'd say that's 150 pounds worth of stuff. What do you think? 50? That was heavy, that one bag.
Looks pretty good. With two guys, it's nice. It's balanced pretty nice. Cool. All right, well, we'll see the first week out. Till then.